What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. Once again, it's your girl Fiana's Beauty in the building. If you're new to this channel, this is a channel where we do everything beauty related from hair. As you can see me doing my hair today, I'm going to be doing a protective hairstyle that is simple twist without using a mirror. So guys, I'm just doing this in front of my phone and I'm using my front camera, and as you can see, I hardly looked into the camera to see what I'm doing. That's to tell you that I've kind of like mastered what I am doing. So if you're new to this channel, please join the family by subscribing. Hit on the subscription button as we go through this hair tutorial. It's been long, I've not done anything hair related. So guys, I'll be doing this while I tell you a story of how I lost my edges. As you can see, my hair kind of starts in the middle. I'll be telling you all about it, so watch till the end. So I started off doing the back part because I didn't want this video to be very long and I wanted you to see the reality of how much time it takes to twist. You can twist left or you can twist right, and here I am twisting the right. I'm going through the right twist. Okay, either way, the difference is just that when you twist left, I don't really know how I can explain this. When you twist left, the twist look bigger, but they tend to lose easily. But with the right twist, is it the right or the left? With the left twist, the steps look more compressed. Now, like I always say, I'm not a professional when it comes to hair. I learned everything you see here by just doing it. I've never, so I might not know the terms to do, but to explain, but it's a practical thing that you can watch and understand. So just using my comb, I ran out of a detangler and I was just from washing my hair, so that's why you see my hair is very tangled. It was still kind of wet. The only thing I used was the Shea moisture leave-in conditioner you had seen on the screen earlier on. So using that bubble, I just separate the parts and then I go further to detangle it with the comb. You can finger detangle it first, like you saw me doing in the first strand I started with on the screen, or you can use your comb. You can use a comb that is bigger than this so as to prevent a lot of breakage. I have natural hair. I've gone natural for almost 5 years now. 4 years. I completely shaved my hair in 2016. Like I went on a complete low cut in 2016, and since then I have gone natural. I've never really taken care of my hair. I didn't know how to when I was back in Africa. It's when I traveled that I started watching these tutorials of these big YouTubers telling you that use this, use that on your hair. So as you can see, I'm using my first finger to sand the hair. I don't know how to explain this, guys, honestly, but like, yeah, just observe what I'm doing. Using the rest of my 3 fingers, I'm trying to hold the hair that I'm passing it on. I think I need to attend more classes of Christiana and Kuru. So when I get to the end, I add some more of that product. Mind you, this is a protective style, and with this I can wear my wigs, I can do whatever thing I want to do with it. So guys, I did some more off camera and now I'll be telling you how I lost my edges. Now for starters, in our family, like my grandmom doesn't have edges, my mom doesn't really have edges, so I don't know if I kind of inherited it, but there's some stupid things I did when I was young that made it worse, coupled with the fact that some people, when they do have their babies, like postpartum, one of the how should I call it, one of the hormonal changes is you losing your edges. Okay, I've heard a number of women complain about this, and mind you, this hair, I did this tutorial in February. Even though instead of my hair getting better, it got worse. My edges are worse than what you see right here because I've been doing a lot of braids. I've been doing a lot of closure wigs and the glue just keeps getting my hair worse. I keep saying I'll stop using glue on my hair, but you know the temptation, girls, for your hair to be on fleek. Please guys, look at what I'm doing here. I'm twisting the hair. This part is not fast forwarded. I should have gone slower, but your girl's hands are used to moving fast, guys, so forgive me, just forgive me. So I'm taking some more of that product and I'm putting it at the tips. You know, the tips of your hair that break the most, so you just have to put it there and twist it some more. So when I was young, you know, during the long-term holiday, you braid your hair. The school, I went to a government school, I went to a public school, and we're not allowed to have braids on. So during the long-term holiday, we usually go on braiding our hair. And when you braid your hair, you want the hair to be on flicked always. So after 2 weeks, you know how your edges will be popping out, especially when you have short natural hair. So guys, guess what your girl will usually do? At first, I'll go to a barber after 2 to 3 weeks of having the braids on. I'll say this hair is really looking old because my edges are coming out. I'll ask the barber to carve in the hair. Like, the barber will shave my edges. You know, when you carve your edges, it looks new since the tiny hairs are no longer there. That's what I'll do. Eventually, I started using a blade by myself and I was carving, like, before school resumes and I take down the braids when I go shave my hair, because you were not only allowed to have braids on, but everybody has to be in low curls. All my Cameroonians, you understand what I'm talking about. When they shave, my hairline will start like, my hairline will begin like almost where my ears begin. Guys, I did that for years, and when I went to university, no, when I went to high school, I noticed that I didn't have edges at all. That's how I started working on my edges. And like, honestly, it's the worst thing that can happen to you, because I have thick hair, as you can see. Not very thick though, but no edges. Just look at that. Look at how terrible my edges are, guys. I have dark thick hair but no edges. It's ridiculous. Do you notice my chubby jaws in this video? If you do, please leave it on the comment section. Like I said, I did this video in January, in February. Oh my god, what's wrong with me? I did this video in February, early February, and I thought it was one of the videos I had deleted. You know, I told you I did many hair videos. I ended up deleting them because I was discouraged by my edges. So I thought I deleted it quite alright. I just discovered it in my hard drive. I discovered it about 1 month ago, but I was motivated to post this video when I saw Enhanced by Bev's video, a video she did 3 months back, and she posted it just yesterday. As I'm posting this video today, I watched her premieres 1 day ago and I decided to post this video. Guys, please watch to the end and do leave your comments what you think about my edges. If you have any recommendations on what I can do to make it better, because actually they look worse than this, like I said, because of all the closures I've been doing. If you have a better way of me treating my edges or what I can do on my edges, please leave it on the comment down below and I'll be so super happy to get to it. And guys, please remember to give this video a big thumbs up as well. And you know, I just had a membership. If you join my membership, I'll be so happy to have you. Your girl is just having fun with her hair. Look at those edges, man. Oh my god. Okay guys, so that is it. You have to be very careful with your edges. Be careful who does your hair, because some fingers do break edges a lot. My very first official video was how I lost my edges and what I'm doing to grow it back. You can go to my channel and check on that video. So basically, this is what I do to protect my hair. When I do this for like 2 to 3 weeks, I'll be applying oil on it. I'll be moisturizing it, and if I feel like it's dirty, I will wash it again. Now this is a combination of olive oil, coconut oil and almond oil. By this time I didn't have the castor oil. I would have added it to it. Castor oil is very good in growing your hair, so I mix that up in this little spray bottle and I just spray it around my hair. And I do this like after 2 to 3 days when I do this protective style. This is just an easy style. I didn't use any mirror. I just used my phone to film, and I was just guesswork. As you can see, the parting is not very neat, but it doesn't really matter because it's a protective style, and I will always have it at home. If I'm going anywhere, there's a way I can do to wear a wig. You see, you can part it any way of your choice. So guys, I hope you learned something in this video. I hope you learned you can twist your hair by yourself, and it was just a great time having you. I'll definitely gonna see you in my next one. Now just enjoy the rest of the music. Love you so much. Love you. Please subscribe if you haven't, and once again remember to give this video a big thumbs up. I'll be bringing up like beginner friendly hairstyles, the styles I do for my daughter, and we will just be having fun. Love you so much. See you in my next video. We're gonna rock it with the music. Bye.